object. Actual textures can be felt with fingers. Textures are of two types. One is the actual texture, one is the visual texture. For example, look at the wall behind. Here you can see the texture of roses, but you cannot feel it. But in this example, you can both see and feel the texture of the leaves. So I hope you can now differentiate the difference between the two. A texture can be rough, smooth, wet, dry, hard, soft, shiny, matte, slick, sticky, slippery, abrasive, etc. and so on and so on.
Pattern. Pattern is a regular arrangement of repeated same elements over and over again. These elements can be line, shape, color, form, texture, etc. It makes the object visually exciting by supplementing different elements in an interesting manner. The application of pattern should be used wisely to avoid any unattractive design. See this example. Here you can see a wall panel. Now see how different sizes of rectangles and squares with different colors have been arranged to make the wall attractive.